I'm so glad you came. It's an honor, really. There's so much for us to discuss.
What do you want?
I'd like to propose an alliance. I think the two of us could have...
Think we bit off more than we can chew. Keep at him! This is hopeless!
It's over.
Not quite.
This is a reckoning! Burn for what you've done!
How much?
We stand united! I'll knock it!
Know you then? That it? You getting paid to bring me in? Leave them alone! Burn for what you've done! I won't ruin this! Leave them alone! We got this! That's it! Don't get it! We're on the same side here! I ask for discourse and you respond with violence! I only want to help, Batman!
We can't do that!
You're just a kid.
So... You ever wonder how things got to be so bad here? I do. All the time. See, I don't think men like... Roman Sionis or Oswald Cobblepot are responsible. They're just a reflection of our alcohol. The message is always the same. Don't think, don't question. And what becomes of a society?
probably out caroling.
Are you serious? In this weather? With everything that's going down? Besides, they weren't singing Christmas songs.
What is that thing? Whoa, no!
Spike's over here, boys! Come on!
That's it, we did it.
Things are going tonight. Ain't gonna be nothing left to go for. Yeah, I've never seen it this bad. Good Christmas Eve, too.
Careful now, I don't want any accidents. Everything needs to be safe. Of course. Of course, sir. You must refer to me as sir at all times, you understand? Yes, why?
Yes, I understand.
Yes, I understand, sir.
Yes,
No, sir.
of course.
Oh, this is maddening. I'll have to look into refining the neural interface. Oh, the good news. The best. You came. How wonderful! It really is an honor to make your efforts.
Where's the girl?
Whatever do you mean?
Alice!
Excellent. And you know why you're here.
What are you talking about?
Oh, perhaps we don't see eye to eye after all. Let me remedy that. Tick-tock, watch the clock.
What did you do?
Welcome to Wonderland, Batman. Oh, it's where I first met Alice. You know? Oh, what grand adventures we had. But then they took her from me. Poor sweet Alice, lost and alone. I had to find her, had to bring her home, and so I did. And it was quite the journey, let me tell you. But she's here again, safe with me. Still, forces of the Queen are everywhere, conspiring to reclaim her, which is why I brought you here. Who better to protect Alice than the Batman himself? Oh dear, it seems you've gotten yourself all turned around. Which way's in, which way's out? Oh dear, what is my route? Well, you figured it out. But it taxed you, didn't it? Drained a bit of that willpower of yours, Thoughts getting heavier? Finding it harder to maintain control? Careful now. It's not all flowers and tea parties down here. In fact, Wonderland's home to some rather nasty creatures. And it brings out the best and the worst. Don't worry, Alice is in very good hands. More tea.
Get away from me!
Oh my, it seems someone's forgotten her manners.
You're crazy.
Not crazy, Alice. Mad. There is a difference, you know. What it is, I can't remember. But you trust me on this. You must be wondering why I brought you down here. Well, see? I developed the most wonderful device. One that compels obedience. Now, with weaker minds, it works quite easily. Stick my creation on their heads and just like that, they're under my control. Now, stronger-willed individuals, however, require a bit of, breaking in. And this, my friend, brings us to the here and now. You are my Humpty Dumpty, Batman. Your mind is shattered, and when I put the pieces back together, you'll be mine. Forever. Did you know time moves in 7 different directions here, but you've stuck to just one? Forward, always forward? Oh, how boring. So why don't we try moving back? Tell me what you see. Tell me. Is it scary? I hope it is. In fact, I hope it scares you to pieces. No. wrong. All upside down and inside out and wrong, 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 wrong. Stop it right now! There's no winning down here, not for you. I'm in control. You play by my rules. You and Alice both. Do as I say. Do as I say right now.
Help me!
He can, he will, he just has to leave. He can, he will, he just has to leave. He can, he will, he just has to leave. Really now, you're becoming my pet peeve.
It's midnight. I just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas.
You too. Bodies everywhere. The Joker may still be here, in the vault. I should use caution. They're all dead. There's something more sinister going on here.
Think you can just waltz under my bank, huh?
Roman, I'm here for the Joker.
The Joker? Never heard of him. How about you, dog? Know the Joker?
The who?
And you, sir? Name Joker ring a bell?
You son of a bitch! You think you can steal from me? You got away with it? You're a dead man. Dead!
Can't you just play along?
You're insane!
It's been you this whole time. You hired the assassins. You've been running Sionis' operation.
Well, technically it's my operation now. Isn't that right, boys?
You got me. Now let her go.
Oh, life would be so simple if you were all I wanted. No, you're just a teeny little distraction compared to what I've got up my sleeve. Here, have a laugh on me. You hear that? Sounds like 8 tiny reindeer.
She's dead.
I'm telling you, he ain't dead.